Surprise! Unravel 2 exists, and it's available right now. Unravel 2 is the sequel to 2016's Unravel. It's an adorable platform game starring Yarny, a ball of red yarn that looks like a little human. Yarny wanders around various scenic landscapes, finding a story about love and friendship. Now, the new game puts a twist on this whole formula by adding co-op. There are 2 characters in Unravel 2, one red ball of yarn and one blue ball of yarn, and they work together to solve all these platforming puzzles. Having 2 players means there are a bunch more opportunities for creative puzzle solving in Unravel 2. For example, players can connect the ends of the strings that are dangling from the bottoms of their backs. It's not gross, I promise, it's actually very cute. And they can make a platform out of those strings, a trampoline, to boost them up to higher and higher platforms. Players can also swing off of each other by lassoing a branch and then having the other player lasso onto that player so they can swing double the length. There's also a lot of really adorable interactions that the developers at Coldwood Interactive have infused into this game. And it's just like the original, where there are a bunch of touching moments that really give the game a lot of personality. So the red and the blue characters in Unravel 2, after they complete a treacherous platforming puzzle, sometimes they'll stop and they'll give each other a hug, or they'll dance a little bit next to each other. They interact in these subtle ways that really infuse the game with life. Unravel 2 is an indie project. It comes from Coldwood Interactive, but it's published by EA through the EA Originals program. The original Unravel actually inspired EA to create the EA Originals program and start publishing indie games. Since then, they've published a few, including Fee and A Way Out. Unravel 2 was a nice surprise during EA's E3 2018 press conference, when developers came out, showed off the game, and then announced that it was available right then. It's out now on PC, PS4, and Xbox One. For all the surprises from E3 2018, stay tuned to Engadget.com.